Did you know that something as simple as vitamin D could be the key to faster wound healing? In this video, we're diving into exactly how vitamin D works to help you heal better and faster. So whether it's a minor scrape or a tough chronic wound, I'll show you how this essential vitamin plays a role in recovery and what you can do about it. For those who are new here, I'm Cassandra, the wound doc. I've healed many different kinds of wounds, and back in grad school, I researched vitamin D and its health benefits extensively. Now, as a wound care physician, I'm excited to share what current researchers now know about how vitamin D plays a surprising role in how wounds heal effectively. By the end of this video, you'll understand how vitamin D helps wounds heal, how it works in the body, and why checking your vitamin D levels could be the missing piece in your healing journey. So, what does vitamin D actually do when it comes to healing wounds? Well, it all comes down to how it works inside the body. When our skin is injured, we need a few key ingredients to help kickstart the healing process: immune cells, skin cells, and a strong support system to help all of them do their job. Vitamin D is like a signal booster for your immune system. Without it, your immune response slows down, like trying to fight a fire with a few buckets of water. That's why research shows that if you're low on vitamin D, wounds take slower to heal and you're more likely to get infected. Our immune system relies on it to jump into action. But it doesn't stop there. Vitamin D also helps your skin make new cells faster. Think of vitamin D as the manager of a construction site. It tells your cells, all right, let's build, and make sure that there's a steady supply of new skin cells to help with repairing the wound. And here's where things get really cool. Vitamin D helps your body use calcium effectively, which is essential for wound healing. Calcium isn't just for bones. It helps your skin cells stick together like glue so that they build a strong protective layer over your wound. Now, before you go grabbing a supplement, it's best to first talk to your healthcare provider. They can check your vitamin D levels and tell you the right amount if you're low, because too much of a good thing isn't always better. So now that you know how vitamin D helps with healing, here's how you can make sure that you're getting enough of it. One of the easiest ways is sunlight. Spending 10 to 20 minutes in the sun can help your skin make its own vitamin D, which is amazing for wound healing, as long as you also make sure that the wound is well protected with an appropriate dressing. Load up on foods that are high in vitamin D, like salmon, eggs, and fortified milk. A balanced diet goes a long way in keeping those levels steady. If your provider recommends it, a supplement might be a good option, especially if you're indoors a lot or live in a cloudy area. Just remember that they'll help you find the right amount for your body. So there you have it. Vitamin D isn't just about bones. It's a powerful tool for wound healing, helping with the immune system, build new skin, and help keep infections at bay. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and subscribe for more wound care tips and check out the next video. There's plenty more to learn. If you have any questions about wound care and vitamin D, drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help. Stay informed and heal well.